Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Siddharth, founder of Inkstone Infra, the #1 home renovation company in Bangalore. Let's get into the video. We are renovating this 55 years old load bearing house that is located in Rajajinagar, Bangalore. But this is not the only interesting part here. Follow me. The interesting part is horizontal extension from the middle. These are two separate houses, one at the front and one at the back, with two different floor height levels. We are connecting this and converting it into one house on the ground floor. This is in ongoing stage where we are almost done with design stage and demolition stage. This is the house at the front. It's a 2 BHK with outdated and unplanned space fit with old interiors. It had a foyer area beside which there was a bedroom. As we move in, we had the old living area to the left and another bedroom on the right with a small bathroom. It had a kitchen, a small puja unit, a dining area. This is the setback space between two houses, and this is the house at the back, which was 1 BHK earlier. The floor level of the house at the back was higher than the floor level of the house at the front. As per our client's requirement, we are renovating these two houses by connecting them and making it a big 4 BHK house with proper interior space planning. This is the new layout plan of the house on the ground floor with perfect interior design. The foyer and old bedroom is now getting converted into a spacious living area that opens to a sit-out area. This old living area will be converted into a kids' bedroom with wardrobes and study unit. This is an old kitchen getting remodeled into an L-shaped open kitchen with functional interior design. The dining area will be open and accessible from the kitchen. And now we are moving on to the back space that is getting remodeled. A traditional style puja unit will be made here, leading to a family living space. Right now I am in family living space. This will be the study room with wardrobes, and this will be the guest bedroom with attached bathroom and wardrobes. The old floor is taken out and light color flooring is selected to the entire house. On the first floor, we are combining 1 BHK and 1 RK to a 2-bedroom house with interior design. We are designing a private terrace garden on the terrace floor for enjoying the beautiful evenings of Bangalore with friends and family. Face of the house, that is, the front elevation will be redesigned with a modern touch that shines bright to the changes this house is about to take. Last but not the least, we are constructing a 7 feet height compound, thereby making the space little more private and cozy to the family. A beautiful sit-out area is designed here that will be a breath of fresh air with cozy landscaping design that is welcoming. So, this was about this 55 years old load-bearing home renovation that has a structural remodeling, modern interior designs, front elevation designs and garden landscaping. For old home renovations in Bangalore, call us today. For more videos on home renovations, interior designs and architectural constructions, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you.